In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an OKEX.com. Head to the website or the app, pass in your email address, your phone, your password as well, and you'll be good to go. Keep in mind that for password, I highly suggest that you use something randomly generated. Click on sign up, and then you'll be able to pass the CAPTCHA here. Now you can enter a code. This code will be received either in your email or phone number, whatever you've chosen. As I said, please choose something that you have real access to. Even if you lost, you have it back. But that's basically it. All you have to do right now is pass the verification, which is requiring your ID or any type of thing. As you can see, driving license or passport. That's it for today's video, and good